Hi, my name is David Logan, Logan IT, your IT geek. Today's tip of the day is firewalls. What is a firewall? A firewall, physical one, is a break to stop fire spreading. In computer terms, a firewall can stop a cyber attack, internal, external. If a firewall is located at the perimeter of your network, it can be used for auditing and monitoring activities, as well as preventing, reducing the chances of a cyber attack. Thank you for listening. My name is David Logan, your IT geek. If you wish to contact us, private message us or phone 07 966 508 299. Thank you. Have a great day.